Assalamualaikum my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. I'm your English teacher. Open your English practice book. It's our grammar portion. Take out page number 23. In our previous lecture we discussed about question tags. So I think it's clear to you that what is question tag. Tag questions or question tags turn a statement into a question, into a mini questions. They are often used for checking information that we think we know is true. Usually, if the main clause is positive, the question tag is negative, and if the main clause is negative, it's positive. Let's see the example. For example, the positive statement is it's cold, so it's a positive statement, and question tag is negative, isn't it? It's cold, isn't it? Now let's see, question number 1 is match the following statements with the correct question tags. The first one has been done for you. Here we have some statements and we have to match with the correct question tags. The first statement is her dad works for the government. It's a positive statement and its negative question tag would be doesn't he, because here is no helping verb, so we have to see that if the statement is in present tense, so yes, it's in present tense, so that's why we use does for a singular noun, as we know that dad is a singular noun, so that's why we use does, and the positive tag question would be doesn't he. So write C over here. Next is Zan's mother is a lawyer. It's a positive statement. Let's find out helping verb. It's helping verb, and this is subject, so Zan's mother, so we will use she for Zan's mother. So we will write isn't she. Let's see where is the correct question tag. J. Look at this, isn't she. So write J in the box. She's got 2 siblings. So we will write negative tag question, and the negative tag question would be, look at here, hasn't she. We use helping verb and negative form, and then we use subject. Next is you don't know him. So it's a negative statement and its tag question would be positive one. So we will use only this helping verb do, and we will use subject. So the tag question would be do you. So let's see. Listen, look at this, do you. So write D in the box. Next is we didn't see Jack. This is another negative statement. So what we will use did, and we will use the subject. So we will write did we. We didn't see Jack, did we. So write I in the box. Look at this, did we. He left early. So we don't have any helping verb over here. So we will check the tense. This is a past tense. So when the tense is in past, so we use did. But as it's a positive statement, so we will turn it to a negative one. So we will use didn't, and subject would be he. Didn't he. Let's see the correct tag question. Look at this, didn't he. Next is they will share it. So this is a positive statement. We will turn it to negative one. So we will write will not, and we will turn it to contracted form. So we will use want they. So let's see where is the correct tag question is. Look at this, want they. This is constructed form, contracted form. Next is I haven't told her. So it's a negative statement. Tag question would be positive one. So we will write have I. Let's see. A. Look at this, have I. Write A in the box. Next is you are going with me. This is a positive statement. Let's turn it to negative one. We will write not with the helping verb in a contracted form. Aren't you. Let's see. H. Aren't you. Next is the last one is she misses her mom. So here we don't have any helping verb, so we will check the tense. This is a present tense, and we will use for present tense we use do or does, but we use do for a plural noun and we use does for singular noun. So we will use doesn't she. So let's see where is the correct question tag. Look at this, doesn't she. So write F in the box. Now I think it's enough for today. Learn these question tags at your home and practice them. Thank you so much my dear students. Allah Hafiz.